John here from Big Dreams Travel, and just wanted to give you a quick room tour of the standard room, newly remodeled room here at Disney's All-Star Movies Resort. This is, of course, a value resort, and this room will be very similar. Probably the layout will be identical to All-Star Music and All-Star Sports as well, but this is All-Star Movies. So as we come into the room, you can see, obviously this is a standard room with a queen bed here. And then in all these remodeled rooms, this is of course a Murphy bed that when you have it put away, it's a table, which is, I've stayed in this room with our family of 4, and it's a great feature of these rooms to give you space during the day, but a place for the kiddos to sleep at night. There is a nightstand here on the side with some outlets and USB. To the left when I walked in is the little area with the coffee pot or the coffee maker that is standard in these rooms, along with the ice bucket and refrigerator. And so that's right here by the door. And then we have underneath the TV, we have this dresser area, which has a couple of doors that open, and you can see that's where the safe is, an extra pillow there, and then some drawers here to keep things in. There's a little coat rack over here. Over here by the bed, there's another little cubby here between what would be the 2 beds. There is a couple outlets, a couple USBs there. And then you've got the same thing over here on the other side. And of course, Mickey, Minnie, and Donald up top there. And then a really nice feature of these newly remodeled value rooms is that they've started putting the sliding doors on the bathroom instead of, how many of you remember the curtains? They used to just have a curtain hanging there. We did our time with those, but now we've got these doors, which is awesome, into the bathroom area. And as we come to the bathroom, you've got what is the little closet area, little cubby up top, little hanging area here. There is an ironing board. There's some little cubbies for storage to the left of the sink, hair dryer and curling iron, even more 3 shelves down here. And there's all the towels and things next to the sink. And then to the right is the bathroom, and another one of these sliding doors that comes into place when you use the bathroom. And then also they've replaced shower curtains now with these doors on the tub shower, which is super nice. And so that is the restroom. So this is our room here at All-Star Movies. Again, going to be a very similar room to All-Star Sports as well as All-Star Music. And so that is it. Well, thanks for watching, and make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll give you some more travel related content. Thanks, everybody.